German startup Sinn Power has just unveiled an exciting new product, the SKipp mobile tilting photovoltaic solution. This innovative system is specifically designed for use in nature reserves and protected areas where anchoring or piling is not allowed. Unlike traditional photovoltaic systems, SKipp doesn't require modules to be attached to the ground. Instead, it uses a pendulum weight to help the modules return to a vertical position even in strong winds, making the system much more reliable and safe. SKipp is equipped with two-sided solar modules that are oriented vertically in the east-west direction. This approach improves system performance, particularly in the morning and evening hours, when the sun is at a low angle. Plus, the system produces more solar energy in the winter, which is especially important for installations in high latitudes. According to Philipp Sinn, founder and CEO of the German company, SKipp allows for the modernization of open ground and agro-electric systems, meeting the highest technical requirements while offering maximum flexibility and optimal electricity generation in terms of location and duration of use. Sinn Power is a leading company in the field of photovoltaic system development, conducting research and development in renewable energy and producing and installing photovoltaic systems. SKipp is another example of how the company uses innovative technologies to create more reliable, efficient, and environmentally friendly solutions.